why the haloarenes are less reactive than alkyl halides compare. So with respect to nucleophilic substitution reactions, what are the reasons? In haloarenes, halogen bonded carbon sp2 hybridized carbon, but alkyl halides halogen bonded carbon sp3. So sp2 carbon more electronegativity compared to sp3. Because of that reason, in haloarenes, so carbon halogen, both elements electronegativity difference is small. So sp2 carbon also somewhat more electronegativity, halogen more electronegativity. The difference is small. So difference small means electronegativity less polar. Polar less means reactivity less there. But alkyl halides, halogen high electronegativity, but carbon less electronegativity. Difference is more polar. That's why that is more reactive. That is one thing. Second one, haloarenes. So due to conjugation, link, which type of link? Okay, lone pair pi conjugation. The delocalization of electrons takes place. Delocalization means here we are getting resonance forms. In that resonance forms, we are observed carbon halogen bond is a double bond nature. According to resonance, we can say carbon halogen bond double bond nature. Double bond means the breaking difficult. Breaking difficult means reactivity less. But alkyl halides not like that. There is no resonance, there is no double bond, single bond nature. So that is weak bond. So that is participating radially. So these two reasons. So the low reactivity of haloarenes. Because of that reason, ordinary conditions, haloarenes not participate in nucleophilic substitution reactions, first thing. But in special conditions, haloarenes participate in nucleophilic substitution reactions. Special conditions means high temperature, high pressure, okay, at these conditions. These are participate in nucleophilic substitution reactions. For example, say one of the nucleophilic substitution reaction. So if I have taken chlorobenzene, it is a haloarene. Chlorobenzene. It reacts with aqueous NaOH or KOH. That is nothing but OH minus. Here aqueous KOH or NaOH. That is nothing but KOH or NaOH. NaOH means Na plus and OH minus. KOH means K plus and OH minus. So now it is a nucleophile series. So now in the presence of generally high temperature required, here approximately 623 kelvins temperature required. 623 kelvins. Okay, 623 kelvins high temperature. At the same time, here high pressure required. So approximately 300 atmosphere pressure. 1 minute. Okay, see. Right, now 623 kelvins temperature and 300 atmosphere high pressure. In the presence of catalyst, generally the catalyst sometimes they will give H3O plus. That is also called acid hydrolysis. So generally acid hydrolysis means H plus water, hydrolysis water. H plus means acid. So water, H2O. H2O plus H plus combined, we get H3O plus. Otherwise, there is nothing but H plus. Sometimes they will give H3O plus H plus. H plus is nothing but acid. There that acts as a catalyst. Just that is the meaning. See, it is a haloarine, very less reactive. Here nucleophile is there. Ordinary conditions, it is very difficult. But so here H3O plus, it is a catalyst, high temperature, high pressure. Special conditions, the nucleophile substitute. In such case, the halogen eliminated as a Cl minus, halide ion. Otherwise, if we can take NaOH, Na plus and Cl minus combined, NaCl. So now the nucleophile substituted. See this. The nucleophile OH is substituted here. We get the corresponding product. What is the name of the product? Phenol. C6H5OH. Phenol. Phen is the oldest name of benzene. Based on that, the name is given phenol. See this. So generally, haloarenes with respect to nucleophilic substitution very less reactive. But at high temperature, pressure, okay, the reactions are possible. So these are participate nucleophilic substitution reactions. We get the corresponding product. That is first case. Next one, see most important. Now, if on haloarenes, if any electron withdrawing group, any electron withdrawing group, like before I have given NO2, CO, OH, CHO, etc. Generally, any electron withdrawing group, electron taking group, bonded on haloarine at ortho and para positions, its reactivity increases. Reactivity increases. Say this now. So here, chlorobenzene, haloarine. If on haloarine, any electron withdrawing group is present at, bonded or present, bonded nothing but present on, present on, where at ortho and para positions, on haloarenes at ortho and para positions, its reactivity increase. What is the meaning of that? So compared to chlorobenzene. So for example, see, if I have taken, it is a chlorobenzene. That is a chlorobenzene. So now chlorobenzene, see this. Now chlorobenzene, if I have taken one electron withdrawing group. So here NO2 I have taken, NO2, para position. So here NO2 is a electron withdrawing group. Now it reacts with nucleophile OH minus. It is a nucleophile. Now here this reactivity increase. Reactivity increase. Just the reaction takes place at 433 Kelvin solely. 433 Kelvin solely. Okay, at the same time here, pressure, high pressure also generally not required. So high temperature required here compared to the here the temperature, low temperature, the reactions takes place. Okay, by taking catalyst H3O plus. Okay, here normal pressures are sufficient. See this. In such process, this halogen replaced by nucleophile. So as is we get here NO2, electron withdrawing group. It is called what we can say para-nitro, para position nitro, para-nitro-chlorobenzene. It is called what we can say para-nitrophenol. So here, why here the reactivity increases? How to say here the reactivity increases? See, with respect to chlorobenzene, high temperature required. The temperature is mainly affected the reaction. Here, with respect to para-nitrochlorobenzene, somewhat low temperature. Just we want 433 kelvins only. So here high pressure also not required. For example, I have taken one more compound. Say, if I have taken same chlorobenzene, here one NO2, although here para one NO2. So here it is called 2,4 dinitrochlorobenzene. Dinitrochlorobenzene. If it reacts with nucleophile OH minus, see this. This reaction takes place very low temperature. Just we want 403 kelvins. 403 kelvins temperature. Just we want 403 kelvins temperature. At the same time, we want okay catalyst here H3O plus or H plus. So what is the meaning of that? Here very high temperature required. Here somewhat low temperature, here somewhat low temperature. Why? Because here number of electron withdrawing groups increases, the reactivity also increases. Here the Cl eliminated as a Cl minus. So in the place the nucleophile OH is substitute. Here nucleophile OH remaining whatever that as it is. Here NO2, here NO2. It is called 2,4 dinitrophenol. 2,4 dinitrophenol. Otherwise, if one more, if I have taken chlorobenzene, here NO2, here NO2, here NO2. See this? I have taken 3 electron withdrawing groups. NO2, NO2, NO2. It is also called what we can say 2, 4, 6 trinitrochlorobenzene. So now it reacts with the nucleophile OH minus in the presence of. Here the temperature is not required, just to warm. Just to warm the reaction, the chlorine replaced as a Cl minus. In the place of chlorine, substitute nucleophile OH. Here NO2, here NO2, here NO2. Here we get 2, 4, 6 trinitrophenol. So 2, 4, 6 trinitrophenol. See this? Okay, based on this, we know one thing. Without electron withdrawing group, it is a very slow reaction. Reactivity low. How to say? For the reaction, we want very high temperature. In the presence of electron withdrawing group, the reactivity increases because the reaction takes place low temperature also. So in the presence of two electron withdrawing groups, the reactivity more increases. Just 403. Okay, if in the presence of three electron withdrawing groups, here it is a chlorine. See this? Three electron withdrawing groups. I have taken NO2, NO2, NO2. So just the reaction on warming. What is the meaning of that? It is a very fast reaction. Just warming, the reaction takes place. Okay, based on this, we can say one thing. If any electron withdrawing group is present on haloarenes, otherwise present at on haloarenes, ortho and para positions only. So its reactivity increases. Why it is increases? Why ortho and para only? Why not meta? Okay, see first. Why the reactivity increases? First case one.
Sir, if we compare ortho and
okay, so no, first complete on it. See, first thing. So why the electron withdrawing groups are increases the reactivity? One by one I will use slowly all cases. What about ortho and para? Dono comparison, which is more reactive? See. So generally, before I have given chlorobenzene, resonance forms are given. Chlorobenzene. Chlorobenzene means it is nothing but haloarene. Halobenzene. Before class, resonance structures of haloarene given. Okay, if you are observed that resonance structures, the resonance structures may on benzene generally see. Okay, before I have given these resonance structures are given. See this. Okay, in these resonance structures, these electrons are moved towards lone pair carbon. Immediately, the pi electrons, these are moved on ortho. Ortho position getting negative charge, -1. I have given. First structure में ortho carbon. With respect to halogen, it is a ortho carbon. It is getting minus charge. After that, through arrangement, here next resonance structure में para getting negative charge. देख लो. So I have given resonance forms में first ortho carbon getting negative. Okay, according to rule, I have when the electrons transfer towards this carbon. So here these two pi electrons moved on ortho carbon. So that's why the ortho carbon getting -1 charge. After that, here one more pi bond is present. This pi bond is moved on para. That is getting negative charge. After that, this pi bond is moving on ortho. That is getting negative charge. There resonance forms may I have given. According to resonance, we can say on haloarenes, ortho and para positions are. Ortho and para positions are indirectly electron rich character, electron rich nature. Electron rich means negative charge. Negative charge represent electron deficiency. Indirectly on ring. So ortho and para positions, electron rich. Electron rich means having negative charges. Ortho and para only. So the negative charge not appeared meta. With respect to halogen, the negative charges are we are observed. Compressor resonance structures एक बार practice करो. So ortho and para positions getting negative charge. So ortho and para positions getting negative charge means indirectly C. Now here one nucleophile is there. So the reaction, what about the next reagent? Nucleophile. It reacts with OH minus whatever that nucleophile, Cn minus whatever that. Now that nucleophile always waiting for if given molecule is a electron deficiency, if given molecule is a electron deficiency, the nucleophile radially attack, radially bonded. Nucleophile means OH minus means it is a electron rich. It is a electron rich. Electron rich nucleophile waiting for electron deficiency molecule. Electron deficiency. The second one, more electron deficiency, the nucleophile radially reacts because already nucleophile electron rich. So, but here chlorobenzene, it is look like on chlorobenzene ring, electron rich character is there. So electron rich, already nucleophile also, what about that electron rich? Because of that reason, it reacts with chlorobenzene very slowly. Already total this benzene already electron rich. Because of that reason, the nucleophile not attack radially. It is not ready to bonded on benzene ring. Nucleophile always waiting for electron deficiency character, electron deficiency molecule. Okay, if the coming molecule more electron deficiency, the nucleophile radially attack on ring. That's why here for the attacking, we want very high temperature. It is very forcefully, very high temperature, pressure only it is ready to attack. Otherwise, ordinary conditions, it is not ready to attack on haloarine. This is the rich. Due to rich, it is not ready to that. Otherwise, if same on haloarine, if at these ortho and para positions, if electron withdrawing groups are present, what is the meaning of that? What is the nature of NO2 group? NO2 group, electron withdrawing group. Okay, it withdraw electrons from the benzene ring. Okay, where more electron rich is there? Ortho and para only. If at these positions the electron withdrawing group is there, okay, the group withdraw the electrons towards itself. Because of that reason, the ring is getting somewhat electron deficiency. That's why, see, on the haloarine, if at these positions electron withdrawing groups are bonded, the nucleophile attacking capacity increase. That's why, see, if one electron withdrawing group I have taken on para. So here I have taken electron withdrawing. Electron withdrawing group means what about that? It withdraw electrons. Okay, it withdraw electrons means the electron rich nature, what about that? Decrease. Electron rich nature decrease means nucleophile somewhat attack. Okay, that's why when electron withdrawing group is bonded here, the nucleophile easily react. So automatically at low temperature also the reaction takes place. Somewhat the reactivity increases. Okay, here two electron withdrawing groups are there, ortho and para. That's why the reactivity outward increases. See, the reaction takes place just 403 Kelvin. Somewhat increases reactivity compared to this. Okay, otherwise here I have taken all places to ortho and para positions, electron withdrawing groups. So because of that reason, with respect to nucleophile, the reactivity here, what about that increase, more increase. So just when we are warming, when we start the reaction warming, the reaction takes place. We get the product. The nucleophile easily substituted in the place of halosine. So based on this, what we can say, electron withdrawing group, if this present on haloarenes reactivity increase with respect to nucleophile. That is one thing. Particularly the electron withdrawing groups are present at ortho and para positions, so it is useful. Why? Because according to resonance on haloarenes, mainly ortho and para positions are electron rich character. Okay, that's why the electron withdrawing groups are present on that areas, its reactivity increase. Next point, number of electron withdrawing groups increase. See here only one electron withdrawing, here two electron withdrawing, here three electron withdrawing. Number of electron withdrawing groups increase, along with reactivity also increase. Okay, up to this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
अभी बताओ डाउट्स, इसमें जस्ट एक दो डाउट्स पूछ लो, आपको क्या क्या है।
सर अगर हमने न्यूक्लियोफिलिक सब्स्टिट्यूएंट चेंज किया तो फिर सर कंडीशन चेंज होंगी क्या?
100% न्यूक्लियोफाइल चेंज किया तो कंडीशन न्यूक्लियोफाइल के जनरली विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू OH माइनस न्यूक्लियोफाइल आई हैव गिवन दिस कंडीशंस। अगर नहीं तो न्यूक्लियोफाइल चेंज किया तो कंडीशन चेंज हो जाता है। कोई भी चेंज करो ऑटोमेटिकली सब चेंज हो जाता है। स्मॉल चेंजेस टेक्स प्लेस। ओके, based on just that's why they are given statement if any electron withdrawing group is present on haloarenes its reactivity increase. Okay, how much increase it is not given here. Okay, that depends on several factors. Nucleophile strength में depend हो जाता है, haloarene में depend हो जाता है, remaining conditions में भी depend हो जाता है। Okay. Now,
सर और दो और पैरा में कौन सा सबसे ज्यादा रिएक्ट?
okay, generally para ज्यादा होने के chances है. Why? Because एक reason is there. Generally, exactly electron withdrawing group para position है तो, so this is generally attracted the total electrons. For example, benzene ऐसा है. Total electrons towards itself very strongly because there is no other group. Okay, down there is no other group. If it is bonded nearest to chlorine, so here these chlorine electrons, NO2 electrons, somewhat repulsions are present. That's why para is always somewhat major factor. Para affect हो जाता है maximum cases में. Para position affected more because para मतलब क्या है, exactly opposite रहते हैं halogen को, नीचे कुछ group नहीं, it is perfectly at the work. So what is the work of NO2? It is perfectly work. There is no other affected on that. That is one thing. At the same time, if the electron withdrawing group, it is bonded on meta. So if on chlorobenzene meta position NO2 group is there. So generally meta position NO2 group that is not affected the reactivity, almost negligible bolte. Why? Because on haloarene, according to resonance, on meta area there is no electron rich. That's why almost okay, little bit it is affected, but it is that affected compared to ortho and para, it is almost negligible. That is one thing. Now I will give the resonance pumps also, not completed this. Okay, it is clear electron withdrawing group on haloarenes. With respect to nucleophile, the reactivity increase. Okay, according to these reactions, you can say that.
Sir, how to decide reactivity order in benzene like phenol and toluene?
हाँ, अभी बताते हैं. Generally, toluene methyl benzene, right? Toluene.
Yes, sir. Methyl benzene. Toluene on phenol.
हाँ, अभी with respect to कौन सा nucleophile या electrophile?
Nucleophile.
Nucleophile. अभी देता, अभी very simple. Generally सुनो, अभी nucleophile है. So nucleophile, okay, here three, okay, benzene is there, methyl benzene is there, अगर नहीं तो okay, phenol is there. Benzene, methyl benzene, phenol, right? Now,
Yes.
so benzene, methyl benzene, phenol. Generally benzene में there is no other group, no electron withdrawing, no electron donating, only benzene. Okay, methyl benzene. Methyl benzene मतलब methyl group is a electron donating group. Am I right? Any alkyl group is electron donating.
Yes.
Group. Not only methyl, all electron donating groups. Okay, here phenol. Phenol मतलब so benzene में OH रहते हैं. OH का मतलब C. Okay, here oxygen में lone pair रहते हैं. Oxygen में lone pair रहते हैं. दो lone pair रहते हैं. According to reason, oxygen को दो lone pair रहते हैं. वो दो lone pair क्या है? वो भी lone pair moving towards ring. It increases the electrons. It is nothing but electron donating group बोलते हैं. So phenol मतलब C. So on benzene, okay, OH, oxygen surrounded two lone pairs, two bond pairs like this. It is a structure of phenol. Now it is indirectly the phenol OH group acts as a electron donating group. It is also. Okay, it is clear.
Yes.
Generally,
Yes.
if any ring, any benzene, electron withdrawing group is present, electron taking group is present. With respect to nucleophile, the reactivity increase. That is clear. On benzene ring, electron withdrawing group is present. Electron withdrawing group means the group withdraw the electrons from the ring. Automatically, with respect to nucleophile, the reactivity increase. That is first case one. Case two, on benzene ring, any electron donating group is bonded. Electron donor, like methyl, like phenol, also electron donating group. Okay, these are decrease the reactivity with respect to nucleophile. Okay, nucleophilic reactivity is different, electrophilic reactivity is different. Okay, that's why I will give these all these things. After this, electrophilic reactions are there, halohalines. I will give first electrophilic reaction. There also I will give some condition. So last में one class में will give reactivity. Okay, कौन सा increase हो जाता, कौन सा decrease हो जाता. Generally they are given very simple example देख लो. If they are given benzene given, अगर नहीं तो आपको phenol methyl benzene is given, benzene methyl benzene nitrobenzene given. Okay, with respect to nucleophile, which is more reactive?
Nitrobenzene.
Nitrobenzene. Benzene, methyl benzene, nitrobenzene. Which is more reactive with respect to nucleophile? Nitrobenzene. Why? Because simply we can say NO2. Nitrobenzene means NO2 is the electron withdrawing group. Electron withdrawing group increases the reactivity. Okay, after that, nitrobenzene highest. Second highest?
Benzene.
Benzene.
Clear. Benzene. The least methyl benzene.
Methyl benzene.
Because methyl group is
Methyl.
electron donating group. Electron donating group decreases the reactivity. ऐसा. If दो electron donating groups are there, अभी कैसे बताना? दो electron donating groups means both are decreases the reactivity. Okay, which is strongly donate the electron, there is more decrease. Okay, that depends on donating capacity. I will give donating capacity order. Which is strong donor, which is weak donor. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now see. So this is important. Abhi coming organic topics also every time I will give this order number of times. Electron withdrawing group, electron donating group, ortho, para, meta, number of times it will repeat. Okay, it is the first time somewhat it feels difficult. Slowly it will understood one by one. Okay, now I will give. Okay, why the electron withdrawing group present on ortho and para? So its reactivity increases with respect to nucleophile. That is required. One case. Okay, how it is affected? NO2 group is bonded ortho and para. How to affected the reactivity? So it can say based on resonance. Based on resonance structures of haloarenes. Okay, see. That resonance forms, how to we can draw, how to say electron withdrawing group increases the reactivity order. Now I will give resonance. Okay, the proof given, mechanism given, theoretically I have given concept. Okay, electron withdrawing group increases the reactivity. Okay, so how to show that practically see this? Okay, it is somewhat difficulty concept. It is first time only. That's why someone feel it is difficult. Okay, slowly it will understood. This topic is given. Next topic, organic alcohols, phenol. They are also given. Next amines there. They are also given. Same topic. It will repeat at minimum 3-4 times. Electron withdrawing group, electron donating groups. How to increase, how to decrease, how to be affected. What are the resonance? Every time I will give resonance structures, withdrawing, donating groups.
Sir, what is the syllabus for tomorrow's exam?
So, total halogen derivatives today's corona, starting to ending the up to covered.
And sir, haloarenes coming?
Okay, halogen is
Haloarenes.
also OB. whatever the topic, running topic for our topic every time. Okay, previous one also was for it because organic chemistry interrelated. So starting to ending the up to cover.